So hi guys, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm going to open this package from my sister from the US. She sent it to me last July 13, and after 2 weeks, I got this one from the US. Yeah. So I'm so excited to open this package. Tingnan natin kung anong laman nito. So, yeah, dumaan rin ito ng customs, and after that, nagbayad ako ng toll, which is 34 and 76 euro. Malaki rin siyang binayad ko. So let's see what's inside this box. Ate Mayet, thank you for this package. Thank you so much, and I hope na next time ako na rin magpadala ng package para sa iyo. Already opened. So many stuffs inside. So let's start. Let's start with this one. Okay. Oh yeah. There's a belt bag. Yeah, a belt bag from Aldo. Oh, so nice. Thank you, Ate. And inside is the wallet from Kate Spade. So nice. Kate Spade wallet. Okay. Nice. Thank you. And then the next one. Speed. Okay. And the next one is this. Okay. It's also a bag from Kate Spade, New York. So nice. Oh. Nice. Okay. It's really nice. Good. From Kate Spade. It's a magnet here. Nice. Pwede siya for for formal occasions. This one. It's nice. Then inside, oh, haha! There's a wallet again. From Coach. Thank you, Ate. Good. Let me see. Oh, it's so nice. I love this wallet. I really love this wallet. I'm looking for this kind of wallet na very handy lang siya. Tapos, meron siyang zipper for the coins and all. Okay. It's the card. Coach card. Nice. Thank you so much, Ate. Yeah, this is the card. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. There's more here. In face mask. Oh, my sister just. Oh, thank you so much, Ate. It's really nice. She sew it. Siya nagtahi nito. She made it by herself. Thank you. It's big. Yes, it's big. But yeah, it's fine. It's okay. Thank you, Ate. And the one is Mickey Mouse. I love the I love the tela. It's nice. Thank you. What? Next is this big one. This big one. See? The name of my ate in the US is Ate Maya. And she is now in the US. Oh, also Kate's face. Thank you. So let's see what's inside. God, it's a backpack. Thank you. Oh God. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice, the black one. Oh, thank you, Ate. It's really nice. But let's see what's inside. There's nothing inside. Just papers. And stuffs like this. I love sweet peas. Sweet pea. Okay, and makeups. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Ate. Thank you so much. There's no more inside. But here, look at that. Look at this backpack. It's really nice. Thank you so much, Ate. See the card? If the card is here. Yeah, the card is here. No? Thank you so much. I love you. And there's more here. Oh, I also have chocolates. Hershey's. Yeah, thank you, Ate. My ate knows that I love Hershey's chocolate. That's why she sent me this one. Let's see what's inside. What kind of chocolate? Yeah. Inopen talaga eh, no? So I have Hershey's nuggets. And this is milk chocolate with almond. Thank you! So I'll just open up also this one. What's inside. So my ate also knew that I love sweet pea products from Bath and Body Works. I really love this scent because it's sweet. And yeah. So thank you for this, ate. And she also gave me makeups for the lashes. Oh, thank you. This a lashes thing. Yeah. And then Kylie Lippy. And then Vivid. What's this? Oh, it's like for eyeliner, silver eyeliner. Lipstick. Some eyeshadows. Lip balm. Have a lip balm. And then this pixie thing. I love it. Also, I think also a lip liner or lipstick. And some eyeliners. Thank you so much, ate. I really love eyeliners, especially if it's waterproof. And this one, powder from Estee Lauder, and the color trick. Also a eyeshadow palette. Not palette, but eyeshadow. Thank you so much, Ate Mayet and Kuya Jan. Thank you so much for the package. Thank you all. Thank you so much for remembering me here. I hope makabawi rin ako sa inyo. And I'm so happy. I'm really happy. I opened this package. Hindi pa ako naliligo because I just received it and I'm just so excited to open this one. And I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. I am so very happy and I enjoyed opening the package, really, with these bags and all surprises that Ate gave me. Thank you so much, Ate. I really appreciate it and I'm really happy. God bless you and I hope to see you soon. I love you so much.